Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're going to take up the Valiant, the e-flite, I think it's 1.3 meter Valiant, maybe 1.5, I guess 1.3. Just, you know, but plane definitely doesn't need any introduction. The Valiant has been around for quite a while, and it is one awesome plane. This plane here, I actually have two of these, and mainly because I love it so much, I want to make sure if one goes bad, I had the other one. And time
remaining 5 minutes.
This is one easy plane to fly. If you have a buddy box or a partner or somebody who can help you, this is a great plane as a trainer. It definitely is aerobatic. Just a lot of fun to fly. It really is. One of the planes that I'm very, very confident with. Like I say, like my timber, I'm probably almost too confident with it to where I get careless, and I don't want to do that. That's one thing you got to be really careful of when you're flying these planes, especially planes that you fly all the time. You know, as they say, stay frosty. You know, what that means is don't get complacent. It is so easy to say, oh, yeah, I can fly this plane, no problem. And it's easy to get complacent. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Very easy to get complacent. And that's not what you want to do. You don't want to get complacent. You want to, you know, pretend that, you know, respect that plane, respect that airfoil. Doesn't matter how many times you've flown it. You know, go out there with the back of your mind like it's the first time you've flown it. And that way you won't try not to get too complacent with it. I'm going to do takeoff flaps this time. Alright, takeoff flap. We're going to do landing flaps this time and see how short of a landing I can do. Coming in about 8 throttle. All right, turn around there, take off flaps again. All right, takeoff flaps are off. Oh, I wish my wife was out here filming for me, but she's working. Nice flat turn.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Go by nice and slow and low. I'm just doing a little bit of slow flying now. Got them flaps all the way down. All right, take the flaps up. Inverted. to bring her in. We're going to pretend that my motor is dead, and I'm only going to be able to land her dead stick. Motor's turned off. There. There you go. Got 2 minutes. Let's get turned around here, take off into the wind like you're supposed to anyways. Nice knife edge there.
2 minutes.
Got a great roll rate on her, that's for sure. Get her turned around. Coordinated turn there. Let's land her into the grass here. Oh! Take a bow with style. He's like, help me, help me, help me, help me. Folks, don't ever let that bother you, that you flip her like that, you nose over. So what? You know, really, so what? You're not hurting, that didn't hurt the model any. You know? Yeah, got a minute and a half there. Nice slow turn, slow roll. Got to slow your roll. All right. Bring her in, get her lined up with the runway. Back pressure, back pressure. Oh! Kind of did
Time remaining 1 minute.
a very unintentional touch and go. All right. There we go. All right, we got a minute to go. Sorry, I'm not trying to blind y'all in the sun there. All right. We're going to land with takeoff flaps only. Line her up on me. Whoa! Saved her at the very last. That would not have been good. But that's where practice comes in, experience. Not to toot my own horn, but gave her too much gas and too tight of a turn. All right, here we go. Well, we got a little more time here. Like I say, I'm running a 3200 Venom 3-cell in her, which is a 3-cell what you want with this plane. All right, we're going to land her this time with no flaps or anything, just her coming in. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the E-flite Valiant. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Don't forget to like and subscribe, folks. I really appreciate supporting my channel. Thank you so much, and God bless.